Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of designing green spaces. In this video and in this activity, our goals are to explore ways to sort of cover a space using our circles in taxicab geometry. So we're going to be placing parks and we want to sort of cover the neighborhoods. And we also want to discuss equity and fairness in resource placement as we do this, right? So as we're placing these parks, as we're deciding where they go, is this fair? Does this get the most people the most access? You can have that sort of discussion, right? So here's the page from the student workbook. The setup is that you have this budget from the city, $6 million. And you can build 6 parks. Each park costs $1 million. And you want to maximize the number of neighborhoods that are accessible to a park, so within a 10-minute walk. And so you'll be using the geo boards for this activity. It's really nice to use the manipulatives for this one in particular because you're going to want to move things around and really see how things like overlap or how the gaps sort of form. And you want to make sure that you do this so that neighborhoods get covered, right? So let's kind of take a stab at this. So we're going to be given 6 parks to place, and we want to place them to cover these neighborhoods. So maybe I can place this one like maybe right here in the corner. Okay. Maybe I can put this one here. Maybe I can put this one here. I'll put this one maybe right here to get that sort of area. There's a gap here. Maybe I could put that one there. And then maybe I can put this one here. So here's just like my first stab at placing some of these parks. But, you know, maybe this could be made better. Maybe I could have placed these parks in a way that covers the more neighborhoods, right? So one of the prompts on this page is how many neighborhoods are not within a 10-minute walk of a park. And you can really see that there are quite a few that are not covered within these 10-minute walk radiuses of these parks. And so you want to count them up and compare that to the total number of neighborhoods, of which there is 121. This is going to be really important for the next activity when the city is going to increase our budget and we're going to want to really play with sort of how these parks are placed. But this is really good because already you can ask questions about, okay, is this fair to the neighborhoods, right? I mean, these neighborhoods, they're super far away from a park, but, you know, these neighborhoods almost have, you know, so many options, right? So is that fair to the neighborhoods? Maybe is there some way that we can make this more equitable for the communities?